Hello students, today we are going to learn English Grammar Chapter 5 Articles. Topics to cover today are definition of article, types of articles, identifying the two kinds of articles and where to use them, and omission of articles. Articles definition. The words a, an, and the are known as articles. Articles are a part of determiners and they always come before a noun. There are two types of articles: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and an, and definite article is the. Indefinite articles. An indefinite article, that is a or an, points to any singular common noun. It is called indefinite because it refers to any one entity or individual in a group and not to a particular entity or individual. Using indefinite articles. Where to use indefinite articles? A and N are used before singular countable common nouns. For example, a boy, an elephant, etc. Usually no singular countable common noun is used by itself without an article. A is used before some expressions of quantity. For example, a few, a lot of, a little, etc. If a proper noun is used as a common noun. For example, we are waiting for a Buddha to bring peace in this violent world. Buddha is a proper noun, but here it is used as a common noun. Hence, the indefinite article is used with it. For idiomatic expressions, for example, Jiten burst out of his room in a rage. In a rage is a idiomatic expression. So here indefinite article a is used. With nouns that start with a consonant sound. Words such as eureka. Here pronunciation is though eureka starts with E, that is a vowel, but the sound is U. So here indefinite article a will be used. An is used with nouns that start with vowel sounds. Words such as are, honor are pronounced as our and honor. Though the first letter of this word is the consonant H, it is actually silent. That's why here an is used. There are few abbreviations such as MPhil, MLA, MP. Those we pronounce, while pronouncing, we pronounce them M, A sound. We have to keep it in mind that our indefinite article mostly depends upon sound. Now, for example, she has been elected an MP. Here MP starts with M, which is a consonant, but the sound is, while pronouncing, we are pronouncing M. So here indefinite article N is used. Before proper nouns in general. My name is Sanghita. Here Sanghita is a proper noun, so we cannot say a Sanghita. Before abstract nouns, we cannot use indefinite articles. For example, the price of sin is death. Here sin, death are abstract nouns. We do not use any article before them. Before material noun, we do not use any indefinite article. Before countable plural common nouns, no article is used. For example, could you help me carry books to the library? Here we do not say Could you help me carry a books? We do not say. Before common singular nouns that are used to represent a race or a class. Man. Man is a social being. Here man is representative of the race. Therefore we cannot say a man is a social being. We will be saying man is a social being. Before an adjective, if it does not modify a noun, we do not use indefinite articles. How did you like the film? It is superb. We cannot say it is a superb because here adjective, if it is not modifying, though superb is a adjective but it is not modifying any noun, so it will be without any indefinite article. When another determiner is used before the noun, we cannot use article. For example, this is his book. Here his is the determiner, so we cannot say this is his books. Now let's learn definite article. The refers to specific or particular person or thing, so the is called definite article. The definite article can be used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, I met a boy this morning. The boy was looking for his lost dog. Here the boy, though it is singular noun, as it is a particular boy, so the article is used. The teachers of our school follow a dress code. Here the teachers plural noun. To indicate this plural particular noun, the definite article is used. Now, definite article can be used for countable and uncountable nouns. For example, can I borrow the book you bought yesterday? Here book is countable. We can use definite article the in front of it. The information I received yesterday is true. Here information is uncountable, but we can use definite article in front of it. Using the definite article. Where we can use definite article. The is used before a noun that is already mentioned. We have already discussed it. Then also let's read the example. A boy is waiting outside. The boy wants to see you. Here a boy, he himself is the boy. Same boy. That's why the definite article the used second time. Here in front of the noun boy. Before a common noun representing a class, we use definite article. The peacock, here representing a class. So, definite article the is used. Before adjectives in the superlative degree, we use definite article the. The biggest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Biggest is the superlative degree. In front of superlative degree, we use definite article the. Before adjectives representing a class, the interest of the poor must be protected. Here poor is noun and the adjective is interest. But it is adjective representing a total class of the poor. So definite article the is in front of the adjective here, qualifies or sits in front of the adjective interest. Before nouns showing direction like the east, the west, the north. Before ordinals such as first, next, further, we use definite articles. The first person in each row must raise his hand. Here first is ordinal, so in front of ordinal definite article the is placed. Before some common nouns we use definite article such as the radio, the theatre, the cinema, etc. In idiomatic expressions, sometimes we use the definite article. For example, to tell the truth, the truth. It's an idiomatic expression. On the other hand, here this is also another idiomatic expression and here we use the definite article the. before a unit of measurement. This is very important and you should keep it in mind. Milk is sold by the liter. Here measurement, liter is a unit of measurement, and in front of unit of measurement we always use definite article. Before names of ocean, seas, rivers, mountain ranges, we use definite article the. People belonging to a place, the English, the Nepalese, we use definite article. Well-known buildings, in front of well-known buildings, we use definite article. For example, the Rashtrapati Bhavan, the Buckingham Palace, etc. In front of holy books, we use definite article the Quran, the Gita, etc. In front of epics, we use definite article the Odyssey, the Mahabharata. In front of names of newspaper, we use definite article the. For example, the Times of India. In front of awards, we place definite article the. For example, the Booker Prize, the Academy Award, the Nobel Prize, etc. Let's learn omission of articles where we cannot use article. We do not use article with proper nouns. For example, Arjuna Ranatunga was a famous cricketer from Sri Lanka. Arjuna Ranatunga is a proper noun, so we will not be using any article in front of it. Plural common nouns, when they denote something in general, we do not use any article in front of it. For example, children like to play. Here children is plural common noun. Words denoting family relations with respect to the speaker never carries any article. For example, father bought this book. Abstract nouns, in front of abstract nouns, we do not use any article. For example, truthfulness is a great virtue. Truthfulness is an abstract noun, so no article is placed in front of it. Languages, in front of languages, we do not use any article. For example, English is the linked language for educated Indians. So English is the name of the language, no article is placed in front of it. If the definite article is used with such words, they denote citizens of the nation that speak that language. That is, when we refer to the English, we mean the people of England. This is to be kept in mind. Names of parts of body. In front of this, we never use any article. Use your hands to pass the ball. Articles are not used in front of nouns that are names of games. Cricket is a very popular game in India. We never say the cricket. Common nouns in idiomatic expressions never carry any or no article sits in front of these nouns. For example, road travel may take more time, but it is more convenient to journey by air. So here common noun is here road travel. We do not use any article in front of it. Some common nouns, if they denote situations in general, no article is placed in front of them. For example, are you not planning to go to college today? So here college is a common noun and no article is placed in front of it. Students, I'll be sharing the PDF of this chapter. Go through the PDF and then solve the exercises in your copies and submit in Google Classroom.